I have a quick little video for you today of a can book that I made. I used up my face balm and the can was so cute that I just decided I had to do something with it. It was just too cute to pitch or recycle. So I made a book and the can is the front and back cover. So each of the circles is a 2-inch paper punch with cardstock covered with fabric glue. Glue it on with the Scotch permanent glue stick, so we'll be curious how that holds up. And then I just trimmed with scissors around the circle, the edge of the scraps. And as you can see, a minor error that I made was not making sure that I was putting the words all on the right side of the stitching. So there's that. For the words, I used tea bag and a micron marker and kind of wrote out kind of a little typewriter type font. And then I used the glue stick to put that onto. See, there's some more that are upside down. And then on the other side, I have fabric scraps and lace scraps. So that is one way to use up some odds and ends if you have a 2-inch bit left over of some favorite pretties. And then I made the top cover on a swivel. And how I did that was I paper punched 2 of the circles in the middle and inserted a brad so that the flat side of it could be glued to the can lid, and then the first fabric circle is glued to this. So then when you unscrew the cap, it rotates. So that worked out awesome. Isn't that pretty? I am just tickled how it came out. And then what I did was used my longest stitch on my sewing machine, just a straight stitch. On mine it's a 5. I don't know if all machines are the same. And I marked with washi tape on my machine a guide so that I could keep it fairly centered. The words are from the verses 1 Corinthians 13:7, Philippians 4:8, Galatians 5:22 and 23, and Romans 5:3 and 4. So I showed you my minor mistake. I made a major mistake too, but I'm going to live with it because I'm not going to make it over, and this is for me, so it's okay. So let me know if you spotted the major mistake that I made, and thank you for spending time with me today.